are in line for the open Burnout comp. Thing always likes to catch on fire.
You did great out there. That was awesome.
What's going on, guys? So, warming the car up right now. We are at the Freedom Factory for the Summer Nats USA. Got my Summer Nats from Australia shirt on. I got a little bit of tire left, so we're gonna roll over to Skid Row. Okay. Matt, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Go ahead, brother. It's all good.
I'm seeing if I like it, might buy one.
All right, so give the camera a rundown. What do you guys do?
Manufacture ATV and side-by-side parts for Honda only. That's what we've done the last 5 years.
Okay. Yeah, I seen you guys cruising around yesterday. What size wheels are on that thing?
24s with a 52-inch tire.
52.
8-seater Honda Pioneer with 6 doors. The only one out there. We modified it a little bit.
That's wild. All right, so is this your first go with Skid Row?
First time.
All right. We got a little bit of tire left, so we'll send it off for you guys.
What's going on in here?
What's up, man? You want to hop in? Might have to scoot up a little bit.
Tom, get that like a limo fucking seat rest up. I get busted when I have a seatbelt on. Hold on, buddy.
Hurry up. Fucking Aussie.
Fucking hell, mate.
Fucking Aussie. Bloody hell.
Thank you, mister. All right, that was dope.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for the Uber ride. I'll give you 5 stars.
Hell yeah. Nice to meet you, brother.
Yeah. I'll come see you later.
Yeah, definitely. Alrighty. So these tires are killed. I'm going to swap these over. All right. I think I got my use out of these ones. What do you think, Mike?
I'd say it was good. Okay, I think.
Hello. All right, now we are in line for the open Burnout comp. Since I'm not popping tires, I'm not expecting to win or place super high at all, but we're just out here having fun, you know? Did a quick wipe down of the car. She looks a lot better. Seems like she's good to go. She's been running pretty decent. Good luck, my guy. Yes, sir. Zach's Burnout car.
That's gone.
What are you doing?
Some dude was like, yo, your blower bolt's coming out. I'm like, oh, really?
Oh, shit. All right, so that's how Jose's going. He got his car wiped down, too, though. It looks shiny.
You're wiping your whole car down.
He started wiping his whole car down. I'm like, what are you doing? But now both of the cars look a ton better. Always something right before you go out. Some shit always goes wrong. Everyone calls my car a boat. This is a real boat. What? Is this on a Mustang platform? Fuck yeah. Alright. Good luck, brother. Hell yeah. Good luck, guys. Gotta have the cooler in the back, too. Damn El Camino on a truck body. This shit is tight.
How's it going, man?
Good, how you doing?
All right, you know the rules. No popping tires.
Yeah.
Good to go.
Yeah.
All right. Have fun up there. Enjoy.
Thank you, sir.
Everybody's putting on a show.
All right.
Put on another one.
I'll try.
The angle on this thing, it doesn't, because it's a Dodge, it doesn't like register in my brain when you park it and you have it like this. I'm like, makes me all,
What's going on?
yeah, for sure. Enjoy yourself.
Thanks, bro. All right, we got both fans on, inner chillers on. Sweaty palms. Sweaty palms.
It's water.
in the middle of the pad, absolutely blanket the place in smoke. We can't see it.
Need a bump?
What's that?
Need a bump?
Looks like he's running away first. We want to get the shot on the road before the rain does come.
Yeah, they're going to get Matthew a shove in the right direction, and he gets it fired and off of the pad.
All right, she does not like tip-ins. That was a good run, though. Solid run. Yeah, she just doesn't like tip-ins. I think it's fuel slosh or something. So.
Hey, pull up over here. Don't fire. Come on. Stop here. Hey, go forward. Save it, John.
Good?
I kicked it off.
Good?
The rubber was on fire. I just kicked it off.
I'm good, though?
Yeah, you're good.
Check the other side for me.
It's smoky, but you're good.
All right. Damn thing always likes to catch on fire. Scared. I think we're good.
Alright, just come to check out.
Appreciate you.
Just come check it out just to be sure.
Appreciate you, brother.
You did great out there. That was awesome.
Thank you.
Hell yeah, guys. That was a good one. What happened? Just shut up?
Yeah, it doesn't like tip-ins. Every time I tip it in, it'll shut down because there's a safety on it.
We gotta get rid of that safety.
I just don't want to blow it up.
I
I know, I was like, no, not again.
My blower belt ripped.
No.
The alternator one, the one that popped off, it completely ripped though.
Swear.
As soon as I threw it back inside the starting line, it stopped. I was like, no! Yeah, I need fuel though. I'm all out of fuel.
Yeah, I'm down there out of fuel.
I know.
Do they have 85 anywhere around here?
Yeah, at a gas station.
I gotta fill my
It was
shit up
just this
completely.
rubber that was on fire.
Okay.
I just was like, kick the fire off.
You scared me. You're like,
It was literally on fire, bro. I swear to God.
All the rubber was on fire, and I was like, pull up so I can get to you.
New fuel system will be coming for the Hellcat. We have the safety on it, so if it starts to lean out or if it's starving for fuel, then it'll just shut the car off. But as you can see, as soon as I get it bumped, then she's good to go. Double pump on the way. That was a decent run, pretty decent run. Caught fire again. Mike put it out, but better run than yesterday.
Can I rep it a little bit?
Go ahead, bro.
All right, thank you.
Oh, he knows what he's doing? He knows what he's doing? Have a good one.
She's still revving for you.
I know.
Why is she revving herself?
Because the fucking intake keeps popping off.
Oh.
I don't know why. And then it...
Oh no, here it comes.
Oh yeah, it's dumping now. Shit.
Better wipe your back off.
Oh, fuck, it's dumping bad. Shit. Oh my god. Oh fuck.
Oh, Jensen, we're fucked.
It just started pouring rain.
It was just sunny a second ago.
As soon as I get done with my run.
Thank God.
Thank you, Jesus. Fuck, that was a decent run though,
Hey,
huh?
it was good. Yeah, I got you a good video too.
All right. Pretty decent
I didn't know
run.
how to operate that camera. Or
It just is frustrating that it shuts the car off when I run out of fuel, but
Yeah.
it makes sense so I don't blow the motor up. Shout out to JJ Peanut Butter on that safety.